Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with an Apple TV that's already signed into your Apple ID. This saves time and prevents purchase prompts. Once the home screen appears, make sure Wi-Fi is stable and check for a quick TV OS update. Updates fix compatibility. Then navigate to the App Store app and open it. This is where you'll search and install. You're now positioned to find apps. Next, you'll learn search, categories, and the purchase flow so you can install efficiently. Use the Siri remote's touchpad or hold the Siri button to speak the app name. This is faster for long titles. Once results appear, scan screenshots and read the short summary to confirm features. This avoids unnecessary installs. If it's a paid app, tap the price. If free, tap Get. You'll be asked to authenticate. That verifies purchases and prevents accidental charges. After authentication, the download begins. Make sure there's enough storage and stay in range until the icon finishes installing. Once the app finishes installing, it appears on your home screen. Press and hold to move it into a folder for tidy navigation. If you need space, remove unused apps by long pressing and choosing Delete. This frees storage quickly. If an app won't install or opens with errors, reboot the Apple TV, confirm Apple ID is signed in, and verify Wi-Fi and available storage. These 3 fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.